Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're making salted chocolate cookie bars. They're a wonderful treat or snack that's packed with coconut, oatmeal, and chocolate. They're somewhere between a granola bar and a cookie, and absolutely fantastic. And as always, the recipe is included for you in the description. Our cookie bars start by buttering a 9x9 pan. And then line with parchment, allowing the edges to overhang. To a large bowl, you'll add large flaked oatmeal, all-purpose flour, shredded coconut, sweet or unsweetened will work, Demerara sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give it all a good mix with a fork. And using a dark brown sugar with a little more molasses and moisture helps to make these a little bit on the chewy side. And then you'll stir in coarsely chopped milk chocolate. And you can use chocolate chips here as well if you like. To melted butter, we'll add a room temperature large egg along with vanilla. And the importance of using a room temperature egg here is the warmer egg will incorporate into the butter just a little bit better. Give it all a good whisk. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and mix well. Pour into your prepared pan and spread out evenly, packing lightly as you go. And I find a flat bottom measuring cup makes that pretty easy. And then sprinkle lightly with flaky sea salt. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 18 to 20 minutes until set and golden in color. Allow to cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, and then remove to a cooling rack using the overhanging parchment, and allow to cool before cutting into slices or squares. These wonderful cookie bars are everything that I love in a good cookie. Buttery, chewy, and just a little bit crisp around the edges. You may also like my chewy coconut oatmeal cookies, which will be coming up next. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or you can visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.